Car L.
Formerly EPL Kone, also more like Kone, as you can see, running on TMS logics. These have been modernised by Schindler, sadly, with 7,000 mechanisms. End it here because we can.